Hello, I'm Solbert, I'm the computer voice of Seoul, Texas company. We have seen in another video how to use the Autodiscover utility to collect information about the interfaces and IP addresses of a firewall. It is also very useful to save time when setting up a firewall cluster. In this video we are going to focus on the differences of this utility when running it on a cluster. Let's start from a fresh new cluster. We edit the cluster, give it a name, write the name of its nodes and add the username and password to access them. We click on the Discover Interfaces button. Select one of the nodes. Let's go to the master node first. We select the role of the node from the drop-down list. If we choose master, the name of the interfaces of this node will be named adding _m to its name. If the node has virtual interfaces, its name will end with _f and a different number for each one. We enter the IP address of the node and click OK. Once the interfaces are discovered, we can see the name that FWCloud UI has given them. We can change this name here. We can also see that the interface, whose IP address we have used to access the master node, has a label with the name of the node. This means they will be set as the installation interface and IP address. It can also be changed in this form panel. Let's now discover the interfaces of the slave node. We press the Discover button. We select the other node. We choose its role in the cluster and we write its IP address. The name of the interfaces will be added with _s. And the interface will be labeled with the name of the slave node. We can label the interfaces with a more meaningful name. Now we can select the information that we want to be added and close the form. As we can see now, our cluster has all the data related to the interfaces that we need. And the nodes have been configured with the proper installation interface and IP address. This has been all in this short video about using Autodiscover on a firewall cluster. Please stay tuned to learn more new features about FWCloud UI.